we go talk with HGTV's Carson Arthur.
Do you have any tips for increasing my home's curb appeal?
Top 3 tips for improving curb appeal might actually surprise you. The first, add a little bit of lighting to the front of your house. We now know that buyers will park in front of a house after work and make a decision on whether they want to buy it. And that's often at night by lighting up the favorite parts. Maybe it's a bay window or a beautiful red maple tree. Those are the things that they're going to remember. Next, just add simple seating. A bench or a seat at the front door with a little bistro table makes the space feel immediately welcoming. Such a simple thing to do, costs you very little money, and they get to go with you when you sell the house. But the lasting impression for a buyer is key. They love going into a house that feels welcoming and inviting. And the third thing, and probably the most important thing, is where to invest in the front yard. It's not in the trees, it's not in the plants, it's the front door. Make sure you have a good front door. The ROI on a front door is almost 100%. What that means is when you sell your house, every penny you spent on the front door, you're gonna get back an increased value. The reason? Every single buyer or every single guest stands in front of the front door before they go into your house. Everybody is gonna see it.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.